Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
You tell them how you make it today.
Today we have curry oxtail.
You heard right.
I didn't stutter. Curry oxtail.
Good doing. Look like curry.
Yeah,
look
man.
like curry goat doing it.
Yeah, man.
It's not curry goat.
It's oxtail.
Yes.
So I saw the CSC family and they made it like a month ago. Her husband actually made it for her Sunday dinner. And I was like, I haven't had that in so long. But with all the things that we were in our minds wanting to eat, we finally got around to making some curry oxtail. So family, we're gonna dig in. We have some salad, some pear, aka avocado, and we're gonna dig in. There's no outfit of the day today, but you will get one tomorrow.
We're gonna dig in. This look good.
It look good?
Yeah.
So we have some ranch dressing that I'm gonna put on the salad.
What? Go check them out, family. CSC family, you know? They do a lot of challenges over there too. They cook food, yeah? Wow. Big up on yourself, you don't know. You know what I'm saying? First lady. A long time you gonna make this off the camera on?
I know.
You gonna tickle your brain again with it?
Yeah, man. When I saw him cooking it, I said, man, I have to make this. A long time and I have some curry. Oxtail. And it's not something that people make all the time.
Yeah, it's not. But you know, from its oxtail, I'm with it. Don't bite the part I bite.
Oh, you gonna feed them?
Yeah, I'm gonna feed them. Sorry.
Ooh. Man, I feel like this weekend went by so fast.
It can go by fast as long as they want, as long as I eat some food. So family, yeah, you're probably saying curry oxtail. First lady said it right. Yeah. It's not a regular dish. Okay? You can curry whatever you want to curry.
So true.
You know? You know what I'm saying?
The sauce keep on getting on my hand, man.
Second here. Cheapest water bottle back. You know I got the what you call this soda in here? The juice, syrup again.
And cola champagne?
This is good.
Come here, napkin, honey. It does taste and smell like cola champagne, right?
Yep.
I was surprised.
It does.
I don't know why this sauce keep on drop on my hand, man. Want more sauce?
I chat too much, man.
Yeah, people say say me chat too much.
My more than you don't say you chat too much. I be alone because you chat too much. Why you?
Yeah, I get it.
Family, I tell you, don't follow me on Instagram. First day, don't want you to follow me on Instagram, okay? Okay?
Yo, I used to lie.
I got 1,000 followers already. I don't even go on Instagram.
Yeah, right.
Yes? I got 1,000 followers already. First
Yeah,
lady,
right.
I tell them don't follow me, no, they follow me, no.
How they find your Instagram? You don't know your own Instagram name.
They know it, but they follow me. Don't follow me. First they said she don't want no lady to follow me. Okay?
So the man can lie.
Okay, follow me and greedy couple.
You shouldn't be so good to lie. No, sir.
Everybody not follow me, huh? Check more and check you.
1,000 followers.
I got 1,000 followers.
In your mind.
Yo, this is season good as hell. You go pie for curry with me? Big up on the sub again, CSC family, you know? Yeah. Right here. Nice. Okay, we're talking. Don't worry, let's eat, man. We talk too much.
You guys had a good weekend?
Oh, they didn't answer you?
Man, no, I know.
Cause they were still looking at the curry oxtail, man.
They don't understand how can I curry oxtail. It almost feels like it's not supposed to be like that.
Yeah.
remember the time you made curry liver?
I made curry, I put curry on everything.
Curry was good. A curry liver.
I put curry on curry rice.
That was good. True. Curry rice?
Anything, I put curry on. Curry can go on anything. Remember, what you like.
I said my mother, everything she wants to jerk. Not that kind of jerk. Everything she wants. Oh, let's jerk the turkey. Let's jerk the fish. Let's jerk the oxtail. Let's jerk. I'm like, mommy.
As soon as Mama Dukes, don't worry, we're gonna turn up.
We had to tell her, please don't jerk the turkey this year. Or last year.
Oh, don't you have a story time for them?
I do.
But later on. Yeah.
What do you call? Remind me. Oh yeah. I do.
Stop being so nosy, Shana Case. You listen to everything, you know. Yes. Stop being so nosy.
Wow.
Yeah, man. This is nice. It's nice one.
I forgot I even had a story time.
Yeah. I have to remind her.
Yeah, that's the way it goes sometimes.
But if I name my Oxtail fast, because first day they move fast for Oxtail too now.
You guys like my braid? My braids?
People long stocking.
This is how I need to put up my head. I'm eating seafood.
Yeah.
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 Make sure you don't get nowhere.
Yo. Even if this never tastes good, I still eat it, cause Oxtail. I'm gonna play with Oxtail.
So, are you telling me they don't taste good?
Food nice, anything I cook tastes good, man. Remember that. But I said, even if it didn't taste good, it could have been burnt. But now waste my Oxtail. Family!
You've eaten burnt oxtail before from a restaurant.
Yeah.
With no problem.
Not to wear it up, I'm now waste my money. Family!
I would have brought it back.
Oxtail getting out of hand. I tell you, I'm still looking for my cow. Because hear what? You know how much? When first day they went to buy some fast food the other day. How much does it pay the Oxtail first day?
$19.
$19.
If you order oxtail from a restaurant.
If you order from a restaurant, $19. You serious? You could buy the oxtail yourself and go cook it.
Yeah.
$19. And what's the excuse? What's the excuse?
COVID.
COVID. COVID do everything.
Everybody's excuse is COVID.
Yo.
It's getting annoying.
Look like the curry sit down more on the oxtail, no? Yo.
Yo, it's dark, right? Hey man, cause when it's that's what happens when you burn the curry. But
wow.
It seems like what we keep saying is that the curry, the oxtail absorb the curry more than the actual goat.
Wow. I know y'all good. Just chill. Let me eat, man. Chill. You gotta enjoy this. Yeah. Just chill, family. Sometimes we talk too much. You're just chilling and just eating and just relax. Yes, you talk too much. Just eat, family. And just chill.
You guys ever say to yourself, oh,
that juice is good today. You try it? No,
Saturday morning, I'm gonna wake up, I'm gonna clean, I'm gonna organize my closet, organize. You wake up and you are right on the couch and go watch a movie. I've been telling myself I'm gonna hang back up my pictures in my house. It's not working. Every time I look at the pictures them, that's why I'll do it tomorrow. It's been a week, guys. A week.
Yo. I love my oxtail, you know. I lift it up, boil it up, and yummy. I love oxtail. Where's your oxtail too dear now? You have to make sure you have everything on it.
For real. Nothing now waste, nothing now dash with.
How you like your oxtail? Small? I hate them big oxtail.
When we went to the store,
yeah,
the guy gave us oxtail. Richard said those oxtail are too big.
Price, so the price high.
Yeah, so we got them. I said, I don't want that. They're too big.
Too big.
So he said, you want me to hand pick the small ones? I said, yes, pick out the small ones. I don't want a big oxtail. And then, when you pick out the smaller oxtail, you get more than the big ones. Then you understand?
When I start buying meat now, I'm gonna tell them to defrost it. Put in the microwave and defrost it, cause you have to pay for ice. You know that, family? When you go buy the meat in the meat store
or fish.
Yeah, fish. The ice, cause you know the meat is always frozen. You paying for the ice, huh? I'm telling you. Yeah. Oh. Question mark.
Oh.
Right?
Yes.
That makes sense, right? Bomb diggity, son. Pastor Rich in the building. Word up with it. Stop. What we got here today?
Sasha. What is it?
Family. First lady. Listen. This is a long one, family, so I'm just going to read it one time, but I'm going to just listen. I'm going to go slow. Excuse me. Family. Keep your head high no matter what happens. You'll be alright. If the moment hurts, do not fall victim to its pain. Look ahead. I'm going to say it again. Alright? Keep your head high no matter what happens. You'll be alright. If the moment hurts, do not fall victim to its pain. Look ahead. Don't look back, you know what I'm saying? We're in wisdom, you know? Enjoy my food now. Yeah, again, I tell them a story now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of oxtail.
Don't count my oxtail. It's not your section.
I'm not counting. I'm not saying I can have no more. Right.
So, this funny time.
You see when you talk too much? You see what I tell you? You talk fast.
This story time is about my mother and my father. Okay.
Mums, you popular, son.
So, family, my mother and my father, right? My mother was going to go to, I think, Florida to go visit somebody. And my father was going to take her to the airport. Well, he did take her to the airport. So they're in the car and they're driving, they're talking, they're vibing, they're laughing. And at this point, yes please, at this point, they lived in New York. Now, They live in Jersey, okay? But back then they lived in New York. So they drive into the airport. I believe it was JFK, okay? And the car broke down, okay? This was like... Oh,
stop!
This was like 25 years ago, okay? So the car broke down. And it just so happened to break down on the bridge, okay? Not too far from the toll. So... You guys don't know my mother, but I'm going to give you a quick summary of her. My mother is very impatient, okay? Very impatient. She don't have, if you go on her to the store, she will go in the store, walk around it once and say, oh, there's nothing in here, let's go. And you're like, I didn't even get a chance to look yet. She's like, there's nothing in here, right? That's how my mother is. She's just ready to go. That's how my mother is. And my mother despises missing the plane. She's like, she does not like to miss her flight. It boils her blood, okay? So my mother was in the car when the car broke down. The only thing my mother worrying about is she's going to miss her flight. She's going to miss her flight. She don't care that the car broke down. She does, but not in that moment. Like, it's almost like when I get on the plane, then I'll say, oh man, the car broke down. But in this moment, I got to catch my flight. So she's there and my dad said, okay, I'm going to go ahead and walk up to the toll booth and see if I can use one of their phones. Because like I said, this was like 25 years ago. Nobody has cell phones, okay? So my mother said, okay, no problem. Because he's going to call a toll truck or, you know, AAA, whatever. So my father walked up to the toll people and my mother now is in the car waiting. And a police officer, a state trooper, pulled up to the car and said to my mother, is everything okay? So my mother said, yeah, everything is fine, but it's just that the car broke down and I'm going to miss my flight. And I got to get to the airport, so I have to get to the airport. I'm going to miss my flight. So, you know, my mother is fine, okay? Fine.
Sexy sipping JJ in the building.
Okay. So the state trooper is like, well, I can take you to the airport. I'm going that way. So she's like, you can? And he said, yeah, I'll take you to the airport. So my mother jumped out the car and she grabbed her suitcase, put it in. Well, I think the trooper put it in the back seat and she got in the front seat.
She got in the front seat of the trooper car, not the back seat.
Front seat of the trooper car, okay? So then my mother...
It's the trooper for me.
My mother...
Take a break. Eat your food. Your food get cold, my you.
I'm full.
You full?
You have too much money.
I'm hungry for you.
So my mother.
A long time I wait for you to say you're freaking full, man. A long time I wait for you. That's why I can tell the story. Hey! Yeah, man. Go on, tell the story, man.
So then, my mother is in the front seat, right? And they're driving. So my father now is like running down because you guys know how a bridge is. When you go on the bridge, it's a little hill. You know, you gotta go up there. So my father's running down the hill, and he just happened to turn his head like this.
And this is what he see.
All he sees my mother. Bye. I'll call you when I land. and he's doing one of these slow-mos like this.
Looking.
What the? I could not believe it. Because there's no cell phone. So it's not as if she could call him and say, hey, honey, listen, a state trooper picked me up. He gonna take... No. So she's sticking her head through the window and she's just like, bye. I'll call you when I land. And he's...
But keep talking.
And left my dad there to get somebody to fix the car or tow the car, whatever was wrong with the car. And then when she got to the airport, she was able to get on the flight and she called him when she landed and everything was okay. She asked about the car then. But like I said, at that moment, all my mother was worrying about was she ain't missing her flight.
She ain't missing that flight. Trooper took her, mommy. The trooper took you.
So that is like a joke in the household that anytime my mom or my dad is around and we're talking, it could be about anything, and Richie will be like, so you better call that trooper, and we'll all bust out laughing.
Or we see a trooper passing by, we start laughing. Yep. Mom don't play. She don't like to be late. She got to be on time. She doesn't play that. I tell you that. You don't talk. You want to do outro?
What was you gonna say?
You have a lot of story. I remember time too with Otto when she went and then didn't she miss her flight one time and then she was getting mad. She was mad.
Yes, but my father one time my father's the total opposite of my mother. My father is like, he takes his time. He's like walking around looking at the birds and the bees. He's not in a rush. He's a total opposite. He takes his time. He's like, we'll get there when we get there. I'm not gonna rush and get into an accident. My mother's like, I'd rather get into an accident and get there on time, whatever. So I guess he dropped her off at the airport and my mother ended up missing her flight. That was the one and only time my mother has ever missed her flight. She missed her flight and she was standing there cursing all kind of blood,
everything.
Yo, every Jamaican cuss word you can think my mother was saying. And the lady, the flight lady, looked at the other lady and was like, should we call security? And I guess the other lady was Jamaican and she said, no man, leave her alone. She mad. Make her, leave her be. And my mother was stomping, and my mother was pissed off that she missed her flight. I was So she ain't missing her flight, and you ain't letting her miss her flight. She would get there 5, 8 hours early. She don't care, because she would have her camera, and she would take her pictures, and she would eat, and she would have a cocktail, and she would play her game. She would read her magazine. She would do whatever. If you say to her, Janice, I can't get you to the airport until, you know, this time, even though your flight doesn't leave for 10 hours, she said, all right, that's fine.
She's still there.
As long as she ain't missing her flight. So my dad came back to get her and said, okay, since your flight is not for another 6 hours, I'm going to take you to lunch. So they let him, let him through, and he got my mother, and then they looked at him and said, you're the guy who made her miss the flight? And he's looking like, oh,
yeah, you got to have it. But her mom's a trooper, though. Don't worry. No, not like that. You know what I mean. But we appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all. Big up yourself, CSC family. Go check them out. Let them know the Greedy Couple sent you over there. You know what I'm saying? We are the Greedy Couple. They are First Lady.
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.